I'll raise you $50.
You're bluffing. I call.
Ante up, gentlemen.
Are you Jimmy?
Who is asking?
Well, this year, I think YouArt.ai is really stand out. If you're familiar with social media, AI social media, you must see this video, right?
Say you want to die.
This is not a real episode of the Breaking Bad. This is AI generated, and you cannot tell whether it's AI, right? Are you curious how to make such a realistic character consistency AI video? And I'm also blown away by this video. It took a long time of a professional team to take a shot and use a Formula One. But now you just record the Formula One by your iPhone. And you can use this AI to generate such a realistic video. Unbelievable. I call this a miracle in 2026. I think this AI is quite practical because the video, the results actually can be used in our daily works, right? For instance, for this video, this commercial video, you can actually use it in the social media, even though the model is not real. Such amazing AI tools, I say. And today, let's dive in UArt. So generating AI videos and AI images in UArt is quite different from other platforms. It's still easy, but you can get fully control of the result. You know, when I study AI, I used to use the ComfyUI and Stable Diffusion. And workflows are amazing, but it's really hard to learn, right? But UArt improves the user experience of the workflow so that you can learn it in a minute, but you can get fully control of the results, just like the ComfyUI. Let me demonstrate how to use UArt to create amazing AI videos and also AI images. Okay, let's go. We can click here, sign in by using Google account. And after you log in, you will land in this dashboard of the UArt itself. And we can upload the images or import templates. But before we do that, let's scroll down a little bit to see what others created in the community. For instance, this episode of the Breaking Bad generated by AI.
Say you want to die.
It is very realistic, right? If you're familiar with the Breaking Bad, I mean, Mr. White and Pink, oh my god, I got screw bounce. In fact, workflow is aside here. So you can click here to get a close look. See, oh my god, this is amazing. Wow, this author is really amazing. And when we click the try now, we're actually in the copy of the Breaking Bad episode. So let's zoom out a little bit. Oh, now we know how it works. See, this is a character in Breaking Bad, and the author used a nano banana, 3 men standing in the West, New Mexico, 60:9 4K. And here we go. Then the author already generated this image. And after he generated images, then use the workflow to generate a video. And you can manipulate the lines. So by all the workflows, finally get your result. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. All right, so let's do some demonstration, okay? So first step is type your prompt here. And let's click this button. After we click the button, we will bring to this canvas. And you can see on our right side, we have an agent who is working on our projects. This agent of UArt will help us to build up the node. So what is node? Node is the new trend of the AI generation. We have upload image models, video models, audio models. When we click here, image tools, and we can find we have a lot of tools as well. So for example, if we change this change angle, and basically this is our image, our resource, and this is a new functionality. All we need to do is connect between, and let's change a direction a little bit, and click run. See, now we're in a different angle of this character. That's so dope, right? Unbelievable, right? And you can do so much more. You can generate a video based on it. For example, click new node, video models, and you can choose your video models, for example, like Kling. And remember what I told you, right? And we can type our prompt as well. And also you can tweak about the parameter, for example, like this one, pro, standard, and duration, and also the aspect ratio. You can click here, run. And what I love about the UArt is you can have the most advanced AI models on the market. So you can use all the latest AI models from the list. You don't need to pay one by another. And give a second. Oh, and here we go. We can click here to play. So I think you know how nodes works, right? But in UArt, you don't need to learn how to use the complicated nodes anymore. Let's delete them all. All you need to do is type the prompt from here, and UArt will help you to generate it. Now we're automatically building the node. Okay, now she's my main character now. Let's build up another. Yeah, that's more like it. And I also need an image of the bar. See, before UArt, you need to build it manually. You need to connect the different lines between. And why we are fond of nodes instead of other AI methods? Because by node, you can control the results better. You can control the atmosphere. You can keep the consistency of the character. So this is where the story happened. And now we can choose the way we want to create. For example, if we choose to build it manually, I want to use a Nano Banana Pro. And let's connect our main character and also this background and type our prompt. And now choose the aspect ratio, choose a resolution, click run. And don't be fooled by me. You can also use the agent to generate. But I prefer connect the lines manually. It's a lot of fun. And let's check the result. Oh my god, this is just what I want, right? And let's generate another one. This time, connect this bad guy here. Oh, maybe I can change the angle of this bar, right? So connect from here, change it a little bit, click run. Now we have it. And let's remove this one, connect this one, change aspect ratio, don't forget, change the quality, and run. Usually, I think 2K just works because end of the day, we are convert those images into videos. Oh, right! Dope! What can I say? This is the one I wanted. Exactly. And now let's place it here. It's kind of messy, but if you are playing it, you know where it is. And right now, just get a little bit tense, right? So our character walk in the bar and find this big guy. Oh, what next? So I connect this, and I also connect our main character and change the resolution. Okay. Just a friendly reminder, everything happens in here and also in our agent. So you can just directly type if you prefer. And also you can tweak the nodes manually, just as what I did now. It's kind of a little bit off, right? So let's change it. See, we can work manually and also we can use this agent to work on it. So maybe we can change the angle as well. And what about this one? This one just looks perfect. I like this one. So finally we have our results, but the size is a little bit small. So we need an upscaler. Let's create another one and image tools, upscale the image, and let's connect. This is very easy. Don't be fooled by the complicated lines. In fact, it's pretty easy. All right, and now finally we can make a video. So just select here, and we can add a new mode, add the video mode, and let's choose one of the video model. And what I do, I just copy and paste. So now we have a 4. Put it beneath the image that we want to generate a video, and let's just connect the lines, and let's write a prompt. Yeah, you can tweak about the parameter, you can tweak about duration, and click the run. And meanwhile, don't wait for it, just do another one. And also, just put it here.
I'll raise you $50.
You're bluffing. I call.
Ante up, gentlemen.
Are you Jimmy?
Who is asking?
Okay, this is just basically how you play around with UArt. You get the consistency character. You can generate video, you can generate images, and you can use upscaling tools, or you can change the angle. This is nothing you cannot do with UArt, and not only you can play the note by manually, also you can use the agent. This is really a way to manipulate the AI easily. I strongly recommend you to try UArt today. You will find it is surprisingly good. Okay, if you have any question, don't forget to leave me in the comment zone. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.